Hi, good morning everyone. Myself Santosh Rajendra Vola. Today's date is 9th July 2022 and today's our topic is searching or algorithms are sorting and designed to check for an element or retrieve an element from any of the data structures where it is used to based on the type of the operations. These algorithms are generally classified into two categories. First one it is sequential search. The sequential search is the basic and the simple searching algorithm. Sequential search starts at the beginning of the list of an array or travels the list of array sequentially and checks for every elements of the list of array. The linear search is an example of the sequential search. A linear search checks one by one each elements of the array without jumping to any atom. It searches the element is the array until is the match is found. If the match is found, then it returns the index of the atom. Otherwise, it returns the -1. And the worst case completely of the linear search algorithm is on output when n is the total number of the elements in the list. How linear search works? Let's understand with an example of how linear search works. Suppose in this example the task is to search an element x in the array. For searching the given element, start from the leftmost element of the array and one by one compare x with each element of the array. If the x matches with, then the elements is written in the index of, otherwise it returns the -1. Below is the image and these algorithms are designed to searching for a given elements in sorted data structures. These types of searching elements algorithms are much more efficient than a linear search algorithm. The binary search is an example of the interval search, and the binary search searches the given element in the array by dividing the array into two helps. First it finds the middle elements of the array and then compares the given elements with the middle elements of the array. And if the elements to be searched is less than the item in the middle of the array, then the given element can only lie in the left subarray. Otherwise, it lies the right subarray it repeatedly and checks until the elements is found. The worst case complexity of the binary search algorithm is log n. And how binary search works, let's understand with an example of how binary search works. Suppose in the example we have to search the elements x in the array. For searching the given elements, first we find the middle elements of the array and then compare x with the middle element of the array. If x matches with the middle element and index greater than the middle elements, then x can be only lie in the right half subarray after the mid elements. So we recur for the right half, otherwise recur for the half, and until the elements is found. Below is the and sorting. It means algorithm A. Sorting algorithm is used to arranging the data of the list or array into some specific order. It can be numerical or lexicographically order. For example, the below list characters is sorted increasing order or their values. That's the character with the lesser ACI value will be placed first, then the character with the higher ACI value. The bubble sort and the insertion sort and the selection sort and the merge sort, quick sort and heap sort etc. are the examples of the sorting algorithm, and there are two different categories in sorting. They are internal sorting, and when all the data is placed in the memory, uh, then sorting is called the internal sorting. And external sorting, then all the data that needs to be sorted cannot be placed in necessary at the time. The sorting is called external sorting. External sorting is used to misbehaved amount of the data merge and sort, and its variations are typically used for the external sorting. Some external storage like hard disk or CD etc. is used for the external storage. And differences between the searching and the sorting algorithms, in which the algorithm sorting, in which searching algorithm are designed to retrieve an elements from any data structures, where it is used a sorting algorithm is used to algorithm the data of the list or the array into the same specific. And second one, it is these algorithms are generally classified into two characters, uh, in which sequential search and internal search. There are two different categories in searching. These are the internal and the external searching. The worst case, it is the time complexity of the searching and the algorithm, and the worst case times complexity of many sorting elements algorithms like bubble sort and insertion sort, selection sort, and quick sort. And there is no simple and unstable searching algorithm like bubble sort and insertion sort in this above, and are the stable sorting algorithms, whereas quick sort and heap sort and etc. are unable to sort any algorithm. And fifth one, it is a linear search and used, and the binary search, that are the examples of insertion sort and the selection sort, and etc. are the examples of sorting algorithm. Thank you.